Hi, I'm Azhar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install macOS. If you don't have macOS, download the macOS and flash the USB bootable drive. You can see my other videos how to make bootable OS flash drive. Connect the USB, press the Alt key little time and select the OS which one you want. I select Ventura, select the disk utility, show the all, select the 256 SSD, select the erase, select the erase. Now it's erasing. Close, select the OS, continue, agree, select the hard disk, continue, and again continue. It's now installing the OS. Don't remove the flash tree, battery level full. That's it. Like this you need to install OS.